Listen up, you donkey! Are you tired of feeling like your brain's gone out to lunch? Do you struggle to remember what you had for breakfast, let alone where you left your car keys? Well, get ready to fire up those neurons because I'm about to share the bloody secrets to boosting your brain power with 7 superfoods. We're talking about ingredients so powerful, they'll make your brain sharper than my knives. Get ready to ditch the brain fog and unlock your mental potential. Right, you lot, let's talk about fatty fish. I'm not talking about some greasy spoons fish and chips, all right? I'm talking about the good stuff. Salmon, mackerel, sardines. These beauties are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, the powerhouse ingredient for a high-performing brain. You see, omega-3s are like the building blocks of your brain cells, crucial for memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. Think of them as the WD-40 for your brain, keeping everything running smoothly. A diet lacking in omega-3s? That's like trying to run a marathon with your shoelaces tied together. A recipe for disaster. So get those fillets on your plate at least twice a week and watch your brain power skyrocket. Next up, we've got blueberries. Small in size, but don't let that fool you. They pack a serious punch when it comes to brain power. These little gems are bursting with antioxidants, nature's very own defense squad against those nasty free radicals that can damage your brain cells. Free radicals are like the bullies of the cellular world, causing oxidative stress and wreaking havoc on your brain's performance. But blueberries? They're like the superheroes swooping in to save the day, neutralizing those free radicals and protecting your precious brain cells. So, sprinkle them on your cereal, blend them into a smoothie, or just pop a handful for a brain-boosting snack. Now, I know what you're thinking. Broccoli? That green stuff your mom used to force-feed you? Well, listen up, because this unassuming vegetable is a secret weapon for a sharper mind. Broccoli is loaded with vitamin K, a nutrient that plays a vital role in cognitive function and memory. Think of vitamin K as the conductor of your brain's orchestra, ensuring all the instruments are in sync and playing in harmony. A lack of vitamin K? That's like letting a bunch of toddlers loose on those instruments. Chaos. So don't underestimate the power of broccoli. Roast it, steam it, or toss it in a stir-fry. Just get it in your system. All right, you hungry lot, let's talk about whole grains, the slow-burning fuel your brain needs to stay sharp and focused. We're talking brown rice, quinoa, oats. These complex carbohydrates release glucose into your bloodstream gradually, providing your brain with a steady supply of energy. Unlike those sugary snacks that send your blood sugar on a roller coaster ride, leaving you feeling sluggish and foggy-headed, whole grains are like the marathon runners of the food world, providing sustained energy for long-haul mental performance. So, ditch the processed junk and make whole grains your go-to for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Now, let's talk about nuts, nature's perfect snack for a sharper mind. These little powerhouses are packed with healthy fats, antioxidants, and vitamins and minerals that are essential for maintaining nerve cell integrity. Think of your nerve cells as the communication highways of your brain, transmitting information at lightning speed. Nuts, with their brain-boosting nutrients, are like the road crew, ensuring those highways are well-maintained and free of potholes. So, keep a stash of almonds, walnuts, or cashews on hand for a quick and easy brain-boosting snack. Next up, we've got oranges, a refreshing and delicious way to keep your brain firing on all cylinders. These citrusy wonders are a natural source of sugars and fiber, providing your brain with a steady stream of energy without the sugar crash. Think of oranges as the battery pack for your brain, delivering a sustained charge to keep you alert and focused. The natural sugars provide a quick burst of energy, while the fiber helps to regulate blood sugar levels, preventing those dreaded energy slumps. So, next time you're feeling mentally drained, reach for an orange instead of that sugary energy drink. Finally, let's talk about eggs, a breakfast staple that's also a brain power powerhouse. Eggs are an excellent source of B vitamins, particularly B12, B6, and choline, which are essential for cognitive function, memory, and neurotransmitter production. Think of B vitamins as the spark plugs for your brain, igniting those neurons and keeping your mental engine running smoothly. Choline, on the other hand, is a vital nutrient for brain development and memory function. So don't skip the yolk. That's where all the good stuff is. Whether you like them scrambled, poached, or fried, make sure to include eggs in your diet for a brain-boosting boost. There you have it, you Muppets. 7 superfoods that will transform your brain from sluggish to razor sharp. Incorporate these ingredients into your diet and I guarantee you'll be thinking faster, remembering more, and feeling sharper than ever before. Remember, your brain is like any other muscle. You need to nourish it with the right fuel to perform at its best. So, ditch the junk food, embrace these brain-boosting superfoods, and get ready to unlock your full mental potential.